Okay, everybody, let's start. Wow, what a nice place. I saw what? A shotgun. Can you eat? Okay, cool. It's time to play in the city. Okay, where shall we go? Wow. Wait a minute. Is that a cop? No, it isn't. Hey man, let me in. Oh, sorry. Hehe. Okay, I saw a... Wow. Maybe the wrong way. Stop at the red light. Turn left. Okay. You can see there's a little fog in front of me, a blue car, and I don't know where to go. Wow, wait a minute. Okay, cool. So do we have a plan? Wow. Hey, it's time to use the trash car. Hey, come on, man. I want to use the trash truck. Okay, cool. Hey. Uh-oh. Okay. Wow, that's better. Hoo-hoo. Hey, man. Wow. Is it a fancy time? I don't know. And I also don't know where to go. Let me check it. Cash house. Cash house. Wow. No, don't shoot people. Shoot the car. What? What's this? Shotgun. Can you use it? Wow. Nice sound. It's a machine gun. A bit heavy. I want to use the RPG, but sees no armor. No armor. Okay, the anti-material gun. Nothing happened. Wow, it really worked. So I think that's the GTA, a very nice game, and you can do what you want. Okay.